Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Now that our gravy's bubbling away, it's time to move on to our chutney. Whether it's an applesauce or a cranberry sauce, there's always something fruity on our plate, and this plum chutney is just the answer for that. If you have pure tamarind paste, just dilute it a little, but I like to use the raw pulp. Just add some hot water, bash the seeds around a little to release all of that flavour. Roughly dice your plums. There's no need to be super precise. Into a saucepan, strain your tamarind water, adding in the pulp but making sure to discard all of the seeds. The beautiful thing about this chutney is that it smells exactly like Christmas. That star anise and that cinnamon, they're just magic. Discard your star anise and cinnamon and add in a pinch of black pepper. Add in the sugar, hoisin and remaining ingredients and quickly bring that up to a boil before reducing to a simmer. Then reduce until you've got a beautiful thickened texture. When you've reached that perfect gooey consistency, set it aside in a clean jar and get ready for dinner time. Once your chutney looks like a chutney, pour it into a clean jar. It will keep for about 2 weeks in the fridge, and even the odd spoonful is a great addition to any stir fry. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.